Played it down the ground. Man at long on. Takes a single. $85 for 6. Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 9. Slight changes in the field. Oh, played that one fine, fine indeed. I don't think that will go all the way. They will settle for only a single. Very good fielding. Last ball to go. To the middle, Hitesh. Last over to go. 9 overs gone. 87 for the loss of 7 wickets. Romit will bowl the last over. Played that one to the onside. There is a man in the deep. Oh, misfield. Well backed up by another fielder. Looks like a Kunal Kataria. Again mix up and gone. Wicket number 8. Completely mix up in between the both batsmen. Yes, no. Both have left their crease. Chiku Bhavesh nowhere near the crease. Comes up to the middle. 88 for 8. 8 for the loss of 8 wickets. Catch is the call. And that went all the way to the boundary. The fielder not judged the ball well. Sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. 92 for 8. Harshil is on strike. He played that one to the offside in the air. I don't think that will carry as that. Yes, it is. Very good catch by Romit. Very good catch. Ninety-two for 9. Ash, who comes out to the middle. Last 2 balls remaining. Played that one. Very good shot. This is a lovely shot. Wait for the umpire signal. Just a single. Very good shot, but only 1 run. Ash played it well. Slight inside out. Good use of his feet. 93 for 9. Last ball remaining. Last ball to go. Hitesh is on strike. Last ball. Look for the run. क्या है कि नहीं मालूम पूछो
भाई सर
Hiru Jain is the bowler.
Express B. I double three. Okay, thank you, man.
Slow over one, no ball, signal by the umpire, pitching outside the pitch. Hiru Jain starts off with a no ball. Now the freight. Freight. Good chance for Prithvi for that. Open his account, team account, and go for the big shot. Very good chance for Prithvi. Didn't gets it right. That's a dot ball. Good comeback by Hiru Jain. Very good comeback. In the air, clears the infield. Over extra cover. The ball running to the way to the boundary. I think that will go all the way. Yes, it is. First boundary and a welcome boundary. First run from the blade. Slight room outside the off stump. Prithvi is such a genuine batsman who has hit that one over inside the fielders. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Again he goes in the same area. Same area, same shot. Lofted it over the... This time to the onside. There is a fielder. This could be mix up. Good running though. Very good running. Even though Prithvi is slightly struggling, slightly limping, but he ran well in between the wicket. Eight runs already on the board. Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 1. Last 2 balls to go, 8 runs without any loss. Jainam is on strike, right hand batsman. Good shot, good placement. Misfield by the fielder, ball running away to the boundary. I don't think that will go all the way. They easily come back for the couple of runs. With that couple, the score moves up to 10 runs. Last ball to go. Last ball to go to complete over number 1. Outside the just straying down the leg side. And mix up totally, I think, no. Don't know what happened down there exactly. After 1 over, 11 runs without any loss. After a good start by Chintamani team, Chintamani 11. After 1 over, 11 without any loss. Looks like Gopal Chopra will bowl the second over. Gopal Chopra to Jainam. Low full toss, slower one, change of pace. Straight to mid wicket, even though they gets a single easily. Well ball. Oh, white ball signaled by the umpire just outside the guideline towards the leg stump. Extra run. Wide that. That's up in the air. This should be taken. Takes it comfortably. First wicket goes down. Played that one to the offside, wants to run. Very good fielding on his own bowling. That's a top class fielding. He saved a certain single. Wickets are the key for the Black Caps, especially the wicket of Jewel. Edge. I think that will go all the way. That will go all the way. That's six. Is under sixes sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. I don't think Joel want to hit that six, but hits with the spin. This time played it on the onside. Good placement. Gets a single. Last ball to go to complete over number 2. 24-1. In the air and just in the gap. That's a boundary to end the over. Akshay Bafna. Appeal. All goes up. Still they are discussing the fielders. They thought about that, but not outside by the umpire. Third bowler Akshay Bafna into the attack. Starts off with a dot ball. Edge might be. And taken. Has he? Yes, he has. So So Joel departs. So this is a big wicket. This is a big breakthrough. The big fish. Joel walking back to the pavilion. Good bowling change made by the captain of Black Caps. He brought Akshay Bafna into the attack. Straight away he produced a beauty. Wicket of Joel always important. New batsman Romit, it looks like. That's a good shot. That's 6 all the way. Good ball, good comeback by Akshay Bafna. Slight overthrow. This is sloppy in the fielding. Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 3, to complete a mandatory power play. 31 for 2. Oh, big swing of the bat, nowhere near the ball. Another dot delivery. Last ball to go. This is the last over in the batting power play. 31 for 2. Shot, 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 and gone. That's a boundary. In wonderful fashion. This match is live down the wire. Don't go away. They have got a pretty healthy run rate, which is just shade under 12 runs per over. Required run rate is under 10 runs per over. They have lost 2 big wickets. Let us wait and see what will going to be happen next. Hirujain, who back into the attack, already bowled 1 over, slight expensive. This is his second over. After 3 overs, 35 for 2.
इनॉग्रेशन के बाद मैच या क्या?
Oh, nice slower one. Well bowled, Hirujain.
इनॉग्रेशन के बाद मैच या क्या? इनॉग्रेशन है ना, फंक्शन है कुछ. 7:30 को बोले.
ये मैच होने को मैच. Magic ball. The sponsor of that magic ball, Cherry Blossom. Another dot ball, another plain miss. Good bowling. This is 3 dot balls in a row. Gopal Chopra bowling at the moment. .3 overs, 35 for 2. No runs so far in this over. Outside the guideline, white ball called by the umpire. Train want to do something special. While doing so, Gopal Chopra lost his line, bowled a white ball. Again, swing and miss. Another dot ball. Last 2 balls remaining in this over. 3.4 overs, 36 for 2.
Kung పూచిన వాళ్ళు
Another dot ball in a row. But white ball called by the umpire. The line is good, just away from it. The length is good, not the line. Just away from the guideline. Oh, good fielding. Has he taken? Yes, he has. That's a very good catch. That's a
ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್
Rishabh comes up to the middle. Last ball to go, 37 for 3. Again, swing and miss. This is excellent over. Important wicket of Romit Jain and only couple of runs in this over, I think. So, 4 overs completed, 37 for 3. After 4 overs, 37 for 3. Successful over from Gopal Chopra comes to an end. We would like to thank the sponsors first Title Club sponsor Tasker Boss, Mr. Kishore Bobby. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. Power play sponsored by Ballari Pharma Cricket Association, Mr. Arif Bhai. Magic ball sponsored by Cherry Blossom. Jersey sponsored by Madhvi Jewelers. Boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Cap sponsored by Madhuri. Best catch of the match sponsored by Team Spartan. Best batsman sponsored by SRK Blasters, Mr. Rohit Kumar. Best catch, in fact, man of the match sponsored by Ecolife. Man of the series sponsored by Makarni Textiles. They are the sponsors giving great support to make this grand event a great success. Change in bowling. Tanmay into the attack. Straight to the fielder. Straight to the fielder. Oh boy. Tanmay can't take the ball cleanly. Tanmay can't take the ball cleanly. Would have been another wicket almost. Not a good presence of mind by Tanmay, young Tanmay. If he takes the ball off the bails, that would have been really interesting. Might be third umpire would have been in business. Straight to the slight loose ball, short of length ball, and the batsman pulls it beautifully in front of square on the onside. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Last ball remaining to complete over number 5. Last ball to go to complete over number 5. 46 for 3. Tanmay over the wicket to Rishabh, left-handed Rishabh. That's up in the air. So it's a sky high. And taken. I say no. Last ball to go. Last ball to go to complete over number 5. Tanmay has got the wicket. Now he's really pumped up. New batsman comes out to the middle. Kshitij Jain. Another Angai. Oh, good ball, good ball. That's a beauty. Dot ball to finish the over. 5 overs completed. 45 for 4. Another 5 overs to go. 30 balls.
49 runs.
49 runs. What a match we are witnessing. Another nail biter. "30 ball, 49 runs needed." They have got 6 wickets in hand. They have lost to 4 frontline batsmen. First Prithvi, Joel. Those are the really big wickets in the beginning. Here comes Hiru Jain. Hiru Jain is on to his second over. Still Jainam in the centre. He's on strike at the moment. Good fielding and oh boy. One run to the total. Now Kshitij is on strike. Lovely ball. That's a dot delivery. Slightly change in pace. Slightly so slower one. He's a very clever bowler, Hiru Jain. Looks for the run. This time I think they will get it easily. 1 run to the total. 27 ball, 47 runs needed. Required run rate 10.44. Another dot ball, another beauty. Every dot ball will add extra pressure on the batting team, especially in the batsmen. As I mentioned to you, these Black Caps have got very good, strong bowling lineup. The batsman followed the ball. White ball called by the umpire. Extra run to the total. Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 6. Played it down the ground. There is a man at long on. Just 1 run. Amit Bafna is the fielder. Very good fielder, Amit Bafna. He's a solid player for the Black Caps. Last ball to go. A dot ball to finish the over. After 6 overs, 49 for 4. 24 ball, 45 runs. "24 ball, 45 runs." Akshay Bafna looks like is the bowler. Oh, good shot. There is a fielder. Looks like a boundary. Yes, it is. A nice boundary. Handy boundary. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Let it on the onside. There is a man again in the deep. I think this time he will cut it off. A single to the total. $54 for 4, 6.2 overs. 22 ball, 40 runs needed. Down the ground, man at deep long off. Hiru Jain is the fielder. 1 run addition to the total. 19 ball, 39 runs. In fact, 21 ball, 39 runs. Straight to the fielder. $20 ball, 38 runs. Required run rate 11.40 at the moment. Dot ball. This is perfect dot ball. Last ball to go to complete over number 7. 56 for 4. 19 ball, 38 runs. Swing and miss. That's it. 7 overs gone. After 7 overs, 56 for 4. 18 ball, 38 runs.
Right.
Tanmay Mehta back into the attack. Oh, very good shot. That went all the way. Has he taken? Yes, he has. What a catch. Who is the catcher? It's a Gopal Chopra is the man. His good run continues in this match. I think that will go all the way. But what a jump. Played it with the soft hands, just a single. Black Caps quite happy to give away singles. The luck is running with Black Caps at the moment. $16 ball, 37 runs. In the air, but in the gap. That's a lovely shot. That's a boundary. I don't think that will go all the way. Water timing, a sheer class. Just put a bat on ball, just wide of the long off and into the boundary. Really handy boundary. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. 15 ball, 33 runs. Very good dive. They're back for the second. Direct it and gone. What a throw this is. Chiku boys. What a throw this is. A direct right under the stumps from the boundary line. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. The luck is running with Black Caps at the moment. Anything that they touch, that becomes a gold. "62 for 6. Looks for the run, gets it easily. Last ball remaining to complete over number 8. 7.5 over, 63 for 6. 13 ball, 31 runs, vice versa. 13 ball, 31 runs. That's up in the air. And that's a boundary. Really unfortunate. Akshay Bafna, normally pretty good fielder, but that was hit straight. Boundary to end the over. Boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Just what the doctor order for the Chintamani 11 team. Last 2 overs remaining. 12 ball, 27 runs needed. So 12 ball, 27 runs. Who will bowl the penultimate over? Who will bowl the match deciding over? Looks like almost Akshay Bafna. And taken, I think. Thick is outside edge. Another wicket goes down. Wicket number 8. In fact, wicket number 7. "11 ball, 27 runs. Another wicket for Akshay Bafna. Another wicket for Black Caps. Batsman name? Mayuk. 11 ball, 27 runs still. Single added to the total. Single won't help. Chintamani 11 team, they want boundaries and a success. They want one big over of 15 to 20 runs. 10 ball, 26 runs. Play and miss again. The story continues for the Chintamani 11 batsmen. They bowled well, especially Chintamani 11, but not batting according to the bowling. Good shot. This will run away to the boundary, I think. No, it doesn't. Very good fielding in the deep. Two fielders actually there is.
नॉन स्ट्राइकर है ना ओबा होते वो नॉन स्ट्राइकर को ये उसका नाम है वही
नहीं बोलता उसको।
ए बिट्टू नाम को ये रे नॉन स्ट्राइकर रो
क्या भी रहते मैं नहीं बोलता कमेंट्री में, यूट्यूब में जाता।
हां YouTube में
8 balls 25 runs। आपको एक स्टोरी मालूम नहीं है? डीन जॉन्स टेररिस्ट बोल के बोला था एक को, उसको बैन करे थे कमेंट्री से।
यार कौन भी बैन नहीं करते लोग जी।
अरे वैसा नहीं सर। अब दूसरे क्या तो बोलो, क्या तो मजाक में बोलो, बोल तुम्हें वो नहीं।
बैट्समैन है।
So another wicket goes down. 7 ball 25 runs।
ये बैट्समैन कौन जा रहा सो? कौन?
Jinesh Gandhi, the new batsman. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. Third wicket for Akshay Bafna. Not batted well, but is compensating well with his bowling. He's bowling beautifully at the moment. Last over remaining, 6 balls to go. 25 runs needed. They need a boundary each and every delivery to level the score.
बॉलर हर्षिल ना? या बॉलर हर्षिल ना?
नहीं हर्षिल नहीं, रोमिल होगा शायद। बॉलर नेम रोमिल, यस। White ball, 6 ball 24 runs. Romil bowled a wicket maiden, double wicket maiden in fact previously. That's up in the air and just over the fielder's head at extra cover. They back for the second. Couple of runs to the total. 5 ball 22 runs. Five ball 22 runs. Well bowled. 4 ball 22 runs. Should be a wide, I think. No. Wait for the umpire signal. Having a look. White ball. 4 ball 21 runs. Crew. White ball, 4 ball 20 runs. Very good delivery. Dot ball, 3 ball 20 runs. Good shot. Back for the second. Two ball, 18 runs. Black Caps on the verge of a win. 2 ball, 18 runs. Played it again on the onside. Just to only a single. 1 ball, 17 runs. That's it, it's all over. Black Caps win this match by 16 runs. They register their 4th win on the trot. They win this match by 15 runs. Take that.